Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add image in PDF in laptop or PC. You will review the PDF that you will edit. Then you will go to the web address that we left you in the description of the video. There, select the option, Edit PDF. Click on the Select PDF File button. Select your PDF and click Open to load it. When you do so, you must click on the Add Image icon. Choose the desired image and click Open. Adjust the size and position of the image in the PDF. When completed, click Edit PDF located on the side. To finish, click Download PDF, and when it has been downloaded, you can open it to validate that the image was added correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.